If Zenless Zone Zero is stuck on a loading screen or just won't get past the logo, you're not alone. This has been hitting a lot of players lately. Let's fix it the right way. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, check for server-side issues. ZZZ loading screens often hang during maintenance, hot fixes, or banner drops. Before changing anything, restart the game once and wait a minute. If servers are overloaded, forcing it won't help. Next, fully restart the launcher. Close Zenless Zone Zero, exit the HoYoverse launcher completely, then reopen it as a fresh session. Partial launcher hangs are a huge reason the game never finishes loading. Now, fix corrupted files. In the HoYoverse launcher, use repair/verify files. Even one broken asset can lock the game on an infinite load after updates, and this fixes it more often than people expect. If you're on PC, check background apps and overlays. Disable Discord overlays, screen recorders, FPS counters, and VPNs. ZZZ can freeze during scene loading if another app hooks in at the wrong time. For Mac players using compatibility tools, launch the game in windowed mode first and lower graphics on the initial load. High settings on first boot can stall shader compilation and look like an infinite load. Another fix that works fast: change your network connection. Restart your router or switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet if possible. Unstable connections can stop the game from completing its login handshake. Pro tip: if ZZZ loads once but gets stuck later, restart the game every few hours during long sessions. Memory buildup can cause loading hangs that only a restart clears. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your platform and where it gets stuck and I'll help you fix it.